Hi, in this video, let me demonstrate how to make a copy using your Canon MegaTank G4280. This printer has two different scanners that we can use to make a copy. I'll show you how to input paper in both of them, and then I'll show you on the display here what to click. So first of all, we have an automatic document feeder. This is if, for example, you want to make a copy of multiple pages. Maybe you have a document of 10 pages. You're going to align them. Open this cover. You're going to find that there's these gray guys that you need to push to the extremity, and you're going to input your paper with the printed side facing up and with this part of the paper pushed in. Once you pushed all the way in, you're going to hear a beep telling you that the printer has recognized that some paper has been put here. So that's how you input paper over there. And if you want to use the regular scanner, in this case, you're going to put your paper facing down and you're going to push it to the top left corner of the scanner, just like that, so that the top left corner touches the top left corner of the scanner, and then you close the lid. Once you have placed your paper the proper way, on the display, you're going to press the home button. Once you are on this screen, you're going to press copy. You have multiple options. If you're doing just like I have placed my paper there, US letter size copy, you're going to press standard copy, but you have other options as you see. Over here we have, make sure that this is the right paper. You have input in your printer, plain paper, this is perfect. Select the number of copies you wish. I just want one, so I will leave it like that. And from now on, you can go ahead and press one of these two buttons. If you want a black and white copy, you're going to press the stop button. If you want a color copy, the lower one. You also have more options. Not many people will go through them, but if you press settings, as you see, there's more settings you can change. So in my case, I'll go ahead and press the black button because I want a black and white copy. Extend the paper tray. And usually it will come out in around 13 seconds. Here we go. So this is how you make a copy using your Canon MegaTank G4280. Please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.